You say it's hard to tell just what I'm thinking. You think it's hard to see, but
Hi guys, so today it's what day is it today? Today is it's a Thursday. Oh my goodness. So today it's Thursday and I just want to do some unboxing with you guys. So like a couple of weeks back, like to be accurate, 4 weeks back, I received this packaging, this really nice blue and white packaging from our Eucerin family at Godwin, and it says, "Dear Thangiwe, this is what they gave me. This is the range that they gave me." And when it comes to my skin and trying new products, I am very, very skeptical, and I am afraid because I have sensitive skin. Okay, growing up, I had like a lot of hormonal pimples. Minake, I would pop my pimple shame. I won't lie, I would pop every single one of them, not knowing, being clueless that it's gonna leave a mark. So I'm just gonna put the steps that I follow over here. I started with the triple effect serum. I started using this and then like it did not give me any problems. I am so happy it did not. Okay, at first, like the first day, my skin was itching, but I do understand that you're introducing something new to your skin. Starting, introducing new products into your skin, you have to introduce them one at a time. Give them like 5 to 7 days and then see if they are not going to irritate your skin. Because if you use them all at once, you will not know which one is not working for your skin. Sometimes it may be all of the products, sometimes it might just be one of the products. After 7 days, I started using this one, the sun fluid. I must say this one did not give me any problems, but the thing is it leaves flakes. I don't know whether I'm doing something wrong, but ever since I started using this, like when you're done applying it, you're gonna have some flakes falling off. So when I introduced this one, it made my face very dry, but not the whole face, like the nose area. This one, it was so dry, like it felt like it was cracking, especially for the first 2 days. But then after that, it got better. Like it's not drying anymore. But I'm thinking it's because it's winter and it's cold, and my face does not produce so much oil. But I am loving it. It is treating me so well. I'm not saying that I'm using only these products. I am still using my Gentle Magic products. To be honest, I'm still using my bar soap. I am still using my toner, and sometimes I still use my serum. And then, but what I've also started using was this one. This is my second bottle. I love it so much. It makes my skin hydrated. It just wakes you up. It just wakes your skin. When you like had your nice cup of coffee in the morning and you feel so good, this makes your skin feel really, really, really good. I won't lie. And I am like done. I am at the bottom. I only have like a couple of drops left. So I need to get myself this one. It makes your skin feel hydrated. This is a must. It did not give me any problems. Like I am loving it. So this is what, and I'm about to have load shedding. What else did I want to show you? So yeah, I am going to do my routine that I am doing at the moment to love and review. Bye. I know I've been talking too much, but okay. No big.
leave me, baby. Don't wanna fall again. This just hurt me. Just think about it, but you hold me like you don't wanna break. I need some space. Just think about it, Maybe separate is better, better. I will love you till forever, forever. Ride it, baby, when you need someone to cover you, no weather. Now I won't come back, you know my answer, my answer. Now I won't come back, you know my answer, my answer. Now I won't come back.
Good morning, you guys. Today it is a Friday, and I am going to be doing the Eucerin skincare routine with you. Let's wash the face. So we are first going to start with the. So you have to use this on a wet face. Rinse with warm water. So let me wet my face. Says on a wet face. So my face is wet, and then I'm going to go in with one and then let it little bit around until it becomes. But then they say you should give the cleanser 60 seconds so that it cleanses your face very, very well. I'm gonna go down my neck. I think it's about 60 seconds. Then I'm gonna rinse it off with some warm water. Rinsed, and then I'm gonna take a towel. Guys, like my marks are disappearing the way, like I am going to be using this L'Oreal hyaluronic acid because I'm in love with it. Like it drops, and then I'm just gonna put leather everything, not forgetting the name. It is, and the trick is you need to wait about 10 to 20 seconds for the product to sip into your skin so that it's going to give you the full benefit. All right. So the next step of the Eucerin, there's triple effect serum. And I'm just going to be using like, let me see, 1, 2 pumps. In 20 seconds has gone by, and I'm going to be, it's strong. It's really strong, but it smells really good. There you go. It is very sticky. You know, when it's drying down, it becomes very, very, look at this, sticky. Yeah, it does wonders. Look at the forehead. The forehead has already gone through the process and it's flourishing. It's flourishing. And then we're gonna give it like another 10 to 15 seconds so that the products can sip in to the skin. I'm going to go in with this baby girl protective fluid. Currently supposed to put two. I'm going to do it so you guys can see. One, two long fluids. And then this.
You say it's hard.
Done. So this is what I've added onto my skincare, and so far so good. So far I can slowly see the results coming through. Honestly, cannot wait to see in the next couple of weeks of how this is going to turn out. And if this thing is going to be able to minimize these acne scars, like I'm all here for it. But then again, I'm saying I'm not here for perfect skin. I'm here for a healthy skin. So, but it is doing the things. All right, okay. And another thing is on that unboxing that I did the other day on the Eucerin unboxing, they did not give me the sun fluid. I bought this sun fluid. They actually got me the skin renewal treatment, and I haven't used this one. I am going to use it in a couple of weeks, maybe a week or two. But then this one I used to use it once a day. So maybe when I'm doing my night skincare routine, of which sometimes I forget. Like guys, ngihlezi ngisho ukuthi ngimusha kule industry yabo skincare, especially night. Kumele ngigezele ekuseni and then that's it. Or noma uma kade ngifake i-makeup, that's when I do my night skincare routine. But then other than that, if I wash my face in the morning or during the day, that's it, I'm done. But then now, ngoba phela we're trying to get age, we're trying to reduce or prolong the aging. That's it. Let me get on with my day. I just want to go do my hair, do the kids' hair, and that's all. It's gonna be a busy day.